Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigo and this is episode 41 of Building a Lifestyle in Ghana, part 2 of staircase construction. Part 1 was more about woodwork, and talking about woodwork, I forgot in the previous video to give a big thanks to my big brother who gave me all this wood I'm using now. I use the same wood for the decking and I'm using it for the staircase, and I'm going to use it again for the next decking and for the pillar installation. I'm going to use this wood throughout the construction work, and I really like to say a big thank you for giving me all this wood for free. If it is your first time on the channel, I do make videos for motivational and entertainment purposes. Sometimes I do share cost breakdown for this project and also give tips on how to save money during building. So if this is something that you are interested in, then kindly please do subscribe to the channel and like the video to support the movement. It's day 2 of the construction of this staircase. If you do like this design of this staircase and you would like to have a similar one or a different design or shape, such as the spiral or the curved one, which I do have videos on the channel, then you can get in touch with me and I'll forward you to the team. Don't worry about the price. It's just wood, iron rods and concrete. It's possible to have it to put a little bit character in your house. So get in touch, contact us so that we give you a nice design. So this brings us to the end of the woodwork for the staircase construction. Now you've seen the design. Please let me know what you guys think about this design. I knew that the space was a little bit small, so I was thinking maybe the staircase was going to be like just a one-way thing, but with this look, I think two people can easily walk on it. But hey, let me know what you guys think about this design. So this is day 3 of the staircase construction, still works, or the iron rod installation. So this is how far we've come, installing the engineering work of the iron rods for stability and strength. So actually, this was not the staircase I pictured in mind. This is what I had in mind before, but because of the entrance, which is the gate to the second and the third floor, we have to minimize the staircase down, the one which is descending. But I hope that at the next stage, which is the second floor, we still have staircase going to the third floor, and I hope we can have this design right there, which will really make it look good and nice from afar. Because the whole idea is to have this kind of zigzag staircase in a glass. So that is the whole thing, trying to do here, which is one of the features of this house, which is the lifestyle. There are a lot of features coming in with this project. So please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more designs and more, features for houses. I'm just trying to put so many style in this project, which is also for me is a learning process. We have a long way to go, but we will surely get there. It's not easy building alone, but hey, this is the challenge, this is the dream, and that is what we are going for. We are not settling for less. We challenge ourselves and we keep moving. The installation work for the iron rods is completed. So the next step is concrete casting, which will be in the next episode. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Like the video is very important so that a lot of people also get to see what is happening. Thanks once again, and I'll see you in the next episode. Like it do it.